In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create background art on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. To begin, log into your Squarespace account and open your website dashboard. This is where you will manage your site and make visual updates. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the website page where you want to add the background art. Make sure you are on the correct page before moving forward, since the art will be applied to a specific section of that page. Next, click Edit in the top left corner of the page. This will open the visual editor, which lets you make changes directly on the page layout. In Fluid Engine, this editor gives you a clear view of how your section looks while you work, which makes it easier to style the page with confidence. Now move your cursor over the section where you want to place the background art. As you hover over that area, a floating menu will appear. From that menu, click Edit Section. This opens the Section Settings panel, where you can control the design and background options for that specific part of the page. It is important to select the correct section here, especially if your page has multiple content areas. Once the Section Settings panel is open, click on the Background tab. This is where Squarespace gives you different background choices for the section. From the available options, select Art. This switches the section background to Squarespace's procedural art feature, which generates decorative visual patterns directly inside the editor. After that, browse the available procedural art generators and choose the style or pattern that fits your design best. Take a moment here to compare the different looks. Some styles may feel more bold and textured, while others may appear softer or more minimal. Choose the one that matches the overall feel of your site. Then use the customization sliders to adjust the generative art. These controls allow you to refine the appearance of the pattern so it works well behind your content. Move through the settings carefully and preview the result as you go. This helps you create a background that is visually interesting without overpowering the text or images in the section. When you are happy with the final look, click Save in the top left corner of the page. This will apply your changes and update the section with the new background art. That covers everything you need to know.